Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2018 SEA PRO 208 DLX. This boat is powered by Mercury 115 Pro XS, underwater lights, nice fiberglass step with stainless steel ladder. Entering the boat, this boat is going to come with dual transom live wells, release well, access to batteries and pumps very easily, transom seating. Here at the helm, you're going to find a Simrad Go 5 with a Fusion stereo. Moving forward, you have lockable fish boxes on both sides, forward fish box. This boat is already pre-rigged for trolling motor batteries. This concludes our walkthrough of the 2018 SEA PRO 208 DLX. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.